Hey everybody, so if you have a Samsung refrigerator, you have probably noticed that there is a hold 3 seconds for vacation button. So if I come up here and I hold 3 seconds, you'll see this little plug thing, this little plug light illuminate. It looks like it's blinking, it's actually not. And then if I hold 3 seconds, it will turn off. In certain models, you don't need to actually hold it for 3 seconds. It'll actually have a vacation button that you can turn on and turn off. So what is the vacation button? Well, the vacation button is a way that your refrigerator can save energy, you guessed it, when you're on vacation. So basically what it will do is it will keep the freezer the same temperature as always, but it will allow the refrigerator compartment to warm up to as warm as 15 degrees Celsius. Samsung actually recommends that if you're going to do this, you have your freezer set to minus 18 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees for your fridge. So there you go. So that's how you can save energy by using the vacation button on your refrigerator if you're leaving for a long period of time. Hope this video helped. Have a great day.